and gentlemen.
So let's start the video. Here you can see installation guide or installation manual, quick setup. Some licensing instruction is written over here. You can scan it and you can activate the license. Some accessories. This is the cable to get a console of the firewall. Old USB cable. It's a charger, power adapter and its cable. Now I will showcase you the box. Here you can see the seal. Once you will open up this seal, so seal would be broken. Some status light you can see over here. USB port and micro USB port to get to take the physical console of this firewall. I'll let you know some ports backside of the firewall. So this is the SFP port for fiber channel. It's for LAN port for WAN and LAN connection. Some USB port and power cable. So this is how the unboxing of Sophos XGS 87. Okay, it's a leading next generation firewall. Thank you for watching our video.